I'm RJC Toro.
And we are Group 5. Soap is an essential product that all individuals use nowadays, either for hygiene or smoking. And a lot of waste has been produced lately, particularly coconut coir waste. Taking matters and measures, the implementation of the coconut coir soap and scrub products are seen to be an effective alternative product for hygiene and moisturizing soap. Aside from the soap, the coconut coir waste serves as a main ingredient for scrubbing, which makes the soap product even more durable and innovative. Our study explores the product's effectiveness and acceptability of it within individuals who are going to use the product and serve as our main target audience. Coconut coir waste that is being made from the Pan Nueva Ecija will lessen from 15 to 20% from 5%, which proves its effectiveness and only to consumers but also to the environment. As for the background of the study, addressing the waste disposal of coconut coir in the Pan Nueva Ecija, a lot has been produced. Aside from that, coconut coir waste always stays as a type of waste, but the waste consists of natural fibers, great for scrubbing and moisturizing. With that being said, the product already gained an advantage because of its sustainability and ability to compete with other soap and scrub products. The procedures and analysis of this study proves that the product, which is the coconut coir soap and scrub, can be an effective and safe to use product. The waste that is being produced will lessen, but at the same time, the society gains something sustainable.
I will discuss the statement of the following. This research aims to address environmental concerns by developing an innovative and eco-friendly product, the coconut coir soap and scrub. Our study examined the product's acceptability to determine how well the coconut coir soap and scrub is received by potential consumers. Its market potential to assess the demand for the product considering factors like cost, effectiveness, and sustainability. The challenge is to identify possible obstacles in promoting the distribution of the product and its contribution to sustainability, to evaluate how the product can reduce waste and promote environmental sustainability. Now let's move on to the conceptual framework of this study. The conceptual framework of this study focuses on developing an eco-friendly bar soap from coconut coir, aiming to reduce environmental waste and promote sustainability. It consists of three main components, which are the input, process, and output. The input includes using coconut coir and essential oils as ingredients and considering the demographics of potential consumers. The process describes how these materials are transformed into soap by extracting and refining the coconut coir. Lastly, the output. It includes the finished coconut coir and scrub, which is designed to be effective and follow sustainability. This framework shows how the raw materials are transformed into a beneficial and environmentally conscious product.
Our literature review focuses on the use of coconut coir in sustainable products, particularly in hygiene items. Coconut coir, which is often treated as a waste, has properties like natural exfoliation and biodegradability. Study shows that using agricultural byproducts like coconut coir can help reduce waste and support sustainable practices. We also explored trends in sustainable hygiene products. Consumers now prefer items that are eco-friendly and align with environmental values. For example, products made from renewable materials are becoming popular because they reduce pollution and avoid harmful chemicals. Overall, this literature highlights the potential of coconut coir-based soap and scrub in promoting both sustainability and effective skincare. For our methodology, we use both descriptive and experimental research design. The descriptive approach allows us to gather insight from people ranged 16 to 30 in Pan Nueva Ecija through surveys. These surveys help us understand their perception of the product's cost, effectiveness, and sustainability. The experimental aspect focused on soap-making process itself. We use coconut coir, essential oils, and eco-friendly methods to ensure that the product was safe and sustainable. Our goal was to analyze the product potential to meet consumer expectations and environmental goals. Data collection involved validated questionnaires, which was distributed online and in person. The results were analyzed using statistical tools, giving us a clear picture of consumer acceptance and the product market's potential.
The locale of the study was centered on the Pan Nueva Ecija, which served as the geographical area where the research was conducted. The study focused on individuals within this locality, particularly those who were potential users This focus allowed for the legal examination of the product's relevance and potential impact with the community, providing insights that were directly applicable to the region. We created and validated a survey questionnaire to gather feedback from selected individuals about the coconut coir soap and scrub. The questionnaire was approved and included in the study. It helped the researchers better understand how people felt about the product. The survey was conducted online using Google Form, and the researchers ensured that the respondents chosen were willing and able to participate. Gathering this information was crucial for understanding people's opinion and addressing any challenges in the study. The researchers aimed for respondents to provide honest and accurate feedback, as this ensured that the data used in the study was reliable and useful.
For the results and discussion, the coconut coir soap and scrub was generally well received, with the respondents showing interest due to its sustainability and effectiveness. The agreed eco-friendly product should be affordable, though many are willing to pay a bit more for sustainable options. The product's exfoliating and cleansing abilities were praised, and its use as biodegradable materials was seen as a way to reduce waste. Challenges like limited awareness, production issues, and competition were noted. To address these, strategies such as educational campaigns, promotions, and better distribution were suggested. In conclusion, the coconut coir soap and scrub shows great potential as an eco-friendly and sustainable product. It addresses environmental concerns by reducing waste while offering an effective hygiene option. Although challenges like consumers, hesitancy, and competition exist, this can be tackled with focused marketing and partnerships within eco-conscious groups. With the right strategies, the product will thrive, benefiting both consumers and the environment.
Question from Dr. Annalyn M. Gamit. How does the use of coconut coir waste as a primary ingredient address both environmental and economic challenges in the local context of Nueva Ecija?
The use of coconut coir waste has various benefits that will address the challenges of the environment and the economy. Firstly, it will reduce the production of coconut coir waste of Nueva Ecija, which is a common waste in this locality. Second, the waste management of the said waste will be implemented as the byproducts of coconut will be managed and turned into a usable resource. As for the environment challenges, it will address the sustainability of agriculture in which the coconut coir waste can be processed as a soap and scrub product. Economically wise, various challenges in the Nueva Ecija can be addressed. More job creation for individuals, such as making the soap and scrub product, needs local manpower. It can also be added diversification of income for farmers because coconut coir is treated as waste. Farmers can now have another income generator. The locality of Nueva Ecija can also develop as lesser waste will stay as waste, and because the product is made from scratch or waste, it will most likely be cost-effective.
Question from Dr. Joy N. Savellano. What challenges did you face in ensuring consumer acceptance of a product made from waste materials, and how were these challenges addressed in your study?
Ensuring consumer acceptance of the coconut coir soap and scrub presented several challenges. Many consumers were unfamiliar with the use of waste material like coconut coir in personal care products, leading to skepticism about its quality and effectiveness. Some were hesitant to try a product made from waste, and pricing was concerned as eco-friendly products were perceived to be less affordable. To address these challenges, we recommend several solutions like launching an educational campaign to raise awareness about the product's sustainability and benefits. Promotional discounts and cost-efficient production method can make the product more accessible, while testimonials and influencer marketing can build consumer trust. Advertising can also highlight its eco-friendly qualities to appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. These strategies can help overcome hesitation and position as a sustainable and appealing alternative.
Question from Dr. Marilu P. Pascual. Your findings suggest the importance of educational campaigns for increasing awareness. What specific strategies would you recommend to effectively promote the benefits of the coconut coir soap and scrub?
To effectively promote the coconut coir soap and scrub, we recommended launching an educational campaign to explain the benefit of using coconut coir, especially these strategies can overcome the top end, make the coconut core soap and scrub popular. Sustainable choices.
Question from Dr. Jennifer G. Fronda. How does the product's cost and affordability influence its marketability, and what pricing strategies could you suggest to balance sustainability and consumer preferences?
Based on our study findings, consumer value eco-friendly products like the coconut core soap and scrub. However, affordability remains a key factor in their purchasing decision. The survey revealed that while some respondents are willing to pay a higher price for sustainability, others are hesitant due to concerns about the product's cost. In developing a pricing strategy, we will prioritize understanding the value perception of consumers regarding the product before finalizing its price. To encourage initial adoption, we propose offering a discount for the first months of the product launch. This approach will expose more consumers to the product, generate interest, and provide valuable feedback that can help refine marketing strategies and future pricing decisions.
Question from Dr. Nestor Natividad. What role can local government units and community organizations play in supporting the adoption and distribution of your eco-friendly product?
Local government units and community organizations can play a pivotal role in supporting the adoption and distribution of eco-friendly products like coconut cores and scrubs. Their involvement can foster sustainability and increase product awareness, especially in local markets. There are some ways that this eco-friendly product can contribute to local government units and community organizations, such as raising awareness and education, incentivizing adoption, supporting sustainable practices and infrastructure, strengthening local economies, and so on and so forth. By leveraging these strategies, local government units and community organizations can effectively support the adoption and distribution of eco-friendly products like coconut core and scrubs, ultimately contributing to sustainable development